Hello kids, Mr. Agee here. For word study today, we're going to be moving into this um, red folder today for the March 22nd through 26th assignments and resources. We're going to go into word study, and today is Tuesday, March 23rd. We've got word study, spelling patterns for short E and long E sounds. So we will open up the assignment, and it's very much like the assignment you did yesterday. If you get this little pop-up here that says it seems like a scanned PDF, just say no thanks, and your assignment is here. So we're going to say each short E and long E word and write on the lines words from the box that have each vowel sound. So this is a little bit tricky because we've got 4 different ways of making these sounds. We've got short E with a consonant vowel consonant pattern. We've got short E with an EA. And what makes this part really challenging is because some EA words make a long E sound. And so it's just one of those things where you've got to remember. And some words, the way that you spell them, like LEAD or READ, can be read as lead, led, or read, read. And so it depends on the context where you determine how you say the word. But the other way to make the long E sound here is a double E, as in trees. So what you'll do is you'll use your text box feature. You'll go through the words and determine which word belongs on which list and type it in there. So we've got head, for example. In the center of the word tells me it's a short E sound made by the EA letter combination. So I'm going to type in the word head on the box here, on that first line here using my text box feature. So I'm going to go HEAD, and I'm going to take my line feature, my line drawing feature, and just cross out head. And I'll go through the rest of this list. And as you finish, go ahead and turn your your paper in so I can take a look at what you're thinking as you are reading and writing these short E and long E words. Good luck and do your best.